Hello students, today we are going to solve 15th numerical of previous year gate question. Question is given as, for designing a two-phase fixed type signal at an intersection having north-south and east-west road where only straight ahead traffic is permitted. The following data is available. Total lost time per cycle is 12 seconds. The cycle length in seconds as per Webster's approach is. Now design R flow is given in this row and saturation flow is given in this row. Now for solving this numerical, we have to take the higher traffic volume, that is in north direction and in east direction, because these two traffics are the higher traffic volume. So we can solve this formula. So we can solve this numerical by taking the value of Q1 equals to 1000, by taking the value of Q2 equals to 900, S1 equals to 2500 and S2 will be equals to 3000. That is the design R flow and that is the saturation flow. Now we have to calculate the value of Y1, which will be equals to Q1 upon S1. Now putting the value of Q1 equals to 1000 and S1 equals to 2500, this value comes out as 0.4. Similarly, Y2 will be equals to Q2 upon S2. Now the value of Q2 is given as 900 and the value of S2 is given as 3000. After solving this, we will have the value of Y2 equals to 0.3. Now we can calculate the value of Y, which will be equals to Y1 plus Y2. After putting the value of Y1 equals to 0.4 and Y2 equals to 0.3, we will have the value of Y equals to 0.7. Now we need to calculate here the optimum cycle time, and it will be calculated by the formula, that is C0 will be equals to 1.5 L plus 5 upon 1 minus Y. Now we have the value of L, which will be equals to 12 here, plus 5 upon 1 minus the value of Y, which we had calculated as 0.7. After solving this, we will have the value of optimum cycle time equals to 76.67 seconds, which will be nearly equals to 77 seconds. That will be the value of optimum cycle time. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.